Chemical properties of sulfuric acid. So there are four chemical properties: acidic nature, dehydrating, nature, oxidizing nature, non-volatile acid. So we need to study in detail about these four properties: acidic nature, dehydrating nature, oxidizing nature, and non-volatile acid. So to explain these chemical properties, we use two forms of sulfuric acid. We use dilute form of sulfuric acid, concentrated form of sulfuric acid. So dilute form of sulfuric acid is used to prove acidic nature, and concentrated form of sulfuric acid is used to prove dehydrating, oxidizing, and non-volatile acid. The first chemical property is acidic nature. To prove acidic nature, we use dilute form of sulfuric acid. And this sulfuric acid, when added to different substances like metals, metal oxides, metal hydroxides, sulfides, carbonates, bicarbonates. So when we add dilute sulfuric acid to all these substances, should form a salt. Formation of salt proves that dilute acid has acidic properties. So in detail we see the equations with each substance, how a salt is formed and what gas is produced. Action of dilute sulfuric acid with active metals. So there are only four active metals. Those are magnesium, aluminium, zinc, and iron. So first we see with magnesium metal. Magnesium plus dilute sulfuric acid forms magnesium sulfate and produces hydrogen gas. So how to write this equation? So simple displacement reaction. The valency of magnesium 2 plus, ions of sulfuric acid H plus and sulfate. Symbol of sulfate SO4 2 minus. So magnesium ion combines with sulfate to form magnesium sulfate. H plus ions forms as hydrogen gas, and check whether the equation is balanced or not. Next, you try with aluminium. Aluminium plus dilute sulfuric acid gives aluminium sulfate Al2SO4 taken thrice plus hydrogen. Let's know the balances of all these. Al 3 plus H plus SO4 2 minus. Combine these two and crisscross the balances. You will get Al2SO4 taken thrice forms and try to balance the equation. Action with carbonates and bicarbonates. Symbol of carbonate is CO3 2 minus. Symbol of bicarbonate is HCO3 1 minus. So action of dilute sulfuric acid with metallic carbonates and metallic bicarbonates. Take sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus dilute sulfuric acid. So which type of reaction? Double displacement reaction. Now try to write the ions of these. Sodium 1 plus CO3 2 minus. H plus SO4 2 minus. The positive ion of this compound combines with negative ion of another compound. Now write the formula. Crisscross the valencies and write. We get Na2SO4 plus H plus ion combines with carbonate ion and forms carbonic acid. So keep in mind, when carbonic acid you will get by the double decomposition reaction, always split the carbonic acid and write it as H2O plus CO2. Combination of these two substances gives carbonic acid. Clear, children? So next try with calcium carbonate CaCO3 with dilute HCO3. Ca2 plus CO3 2 minus H plus SO4 2 minus. Calcium sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide gas is formed. Clear? Now, here in these equations, what is observation? So, carbon dioxide gas, confirmatory test for carbon dioxide is turns lime water milky. Now take one metallic carbonate, take sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3 with acid. Now ions of sodium bicarbonate is Na1 plus HCO3 1 minus. Similarly, ions of sulfuric acid H plus and SO4 2 minus. Combine this. Na2SO4 plus water and carbon dioxide gas. Try to balance the equation. 2 here, 2 water, 2 carbon dioxide gas. And you try with magnesium bicarbonate and copper bicarbonate in your running notebook. Next, action with metal, metallic sulfite, metallic bisulfite. Metallic sulfide. Take one metallic sulfide, sodium sulfide. Now symbol of sulfite is SO3 2 minus, bisulfite HSO3 1 minus. Take metal sodium with sulfite. Sodium Na2 SO3 plus dilute sulfuric acid. Now you know how to write Na1 plus SO3 2 minus H plus SO4 2 minus. Combine these, you will get Na2SO4 plus H2SO3, which is sulfurous acid. If you get sulfurous acid, split it and write water plus sulfur dioxide gas. Metallic bisulfite NaHSO3 plus sulfuric acid gives ions Na1 plus HSO3 1 minus, H plus SO4 2 minus. Combine and forms sodium sulfate water plus sulfur dioxide gas. And balance this equation. 2 here, 2 water, 2 sulfur dioxide gas. Try with magnesium bisulfite, copper bisulfite. Next, action with metallic sulfite. Symbol of sulfite is S2 minus. Take one metal, sodium sulfite formula is Na2S. So try with the same compound, Na2S plus dilute sulfuric acid gives Na plus S2 minus H plus SO4 2 minus. Combines with this, crisscross the valencies, you will get Na2SO4 plus H2S. Hydrogen sulfide gas, confirmatory test is produces rotten egg smell. Try with copper sulfide, magnesium sulfide.